Do we understand about the role of oceans and that how much our lives are connected? Depending on them, the lifeblood on Earth, covering more than 70% of the planet, is under threats of climate change and environmental degradation. How we wish for a clean, healthy, and productive ocean, resilient, rich in biodiversity and heritage, wisely managed, safe, accessible, secure, and economically developed, engaged for the equitable benefit of all. The UN Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development provides a rare chance for everyone to become ocean literate and advocate as responsible citizens to jointly take action, co-create the future that we want. Happy World Oceans Day.